In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple and seamless fade transition between two clips using CapCut. If you're just starting with video editing or looking to polish your videos, understanding how to use transitions effectively can really take your projects to the next level. So let's dive in. First things first, go ahead and open CapCut on your device. Once you have it open, you'll want to start a new project. Starting a new project is as straightforward as it sounds. Just hit that New Project button on the home screen and let's get going. With your new project open, it's time to lay down the foundation of what we're going to work with today. You'll want to place two video clips right next to each other in the timeline. Now don't worry too much if you're unsure what clips to use. You can always substitute different ones later as you refine your project. Now that you have your clips ready in the timeline, we can start working on transitioning between them. Look towards the upper left bar of your screen, and you should see an option labeled Transition. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic of video editing happens. Transitions can do wonders for the flow of your video, making it smoother and more professional. With the transition menu open, you'll see a variety of options. For this particular project, we're going to focus on one of the most classic transitions, the fade. Select the fade option, which you should spot fairly easily among the choices. The fade transition is fantastic for creating a gentle and fluid switch between your video clips, adding a professional touch without being too distracting. Once you've selected the fade, you have the opportunity to tweak it to your liking by adjusting its duration. This is an important step because the duration determines how fast or slow the transition occurs. If you set the fade to a shorter duration, it will happen quickly, providing a more dynamic feel. Conversely, a longer duration gives a slower and more relaxed vibe, which can be especially fitting for certain scenes or themes. Adjust the duration to match the mood you're aiming to convey in your video. And there you have it. A beautifully executed fade transition. By taking these steps, you've added a layer of sophistication to your video. Remember, transitions are powerful tools in storytelling, so use them wisely to enhance your narrative. Feel free to experiment with different durations and even other types of transitions as you grow more comfortable with the process. Thank you for joining me today to learn this valuable editing technique in CapCut. Keep practicing, and soon, these skills will become second nature. Until next time, happy editing!